Hello and welcome as we explore the Montem ultra-strong trekking poles designed for rugged outdoor use. These poles feature airplane-grade aluminum, which provides maximum strength while remaining extremely light and portable. You will appreciate the weight of only 9 ounces when tackling steep and difficult mountain trails. The quick locking system allows you to change the height from 24 to 53 inches. Padded straps and ergonomic cork grips help prevent hand fatigue during your most challenging outdoor excursions. Each pair includes mud baskets and rubber tips, so you are ready for any weather or terrain. A lifetime replacement promise ensures that these durable poles will support all your hiking goals forever. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.